Hey guys, this is your girl Deborah, aka Dee Charles, down here in Pine Bluff, Arkansas. And tonight we're back on this video because I want to talk about affiliate marketing and how you can increase your sales in your affiliate marketing program. But before we get started, I want to say thank you for dropping by my video tonight. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and give me some likes, some hearts, and thumbs up. And if you are on YouTube, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button in the corner, and in the other corner you can hit the notification bell, so when I come on to do these videos, you won't miss me and I won't miss you. Okay guys, we're going to get into this about this affiliate marketing. As you know, affiliate marketers are just we are people who just promote or sell different products. If you're on, like for example, if you are affiliate marketer of ClickFunnels, you might be an affiliate marketer of JV or any of those type of programs. Then you are an affiliate marketer who is marketing or promoting someone else's product or service, and you don't have to do anything as far as making courses or anything, but these are courses that are and products that have already been uh, made, and we just promoting them. So in the company that I'm currently promoting, I am an affiliate marketer. Even though I'm a network marketer, I'm an affiliate marketer because they have different types of programs and products inside of the program that I can sell as an affiliate marketer. So that is what an affiliate marketer does, and it's thousands upon thousands of people who are affiliate marketers, and I think that affiliate marketing is the best way as a newbie marketer to get started, because you get a chance to promote some stuff that you didn't have to come up with and create and all that stuff. So, but we're going to get over here and talk about these 3 tips that I want to give to you that will help you with getting some sales and turning your leads into sales once you are getting leads. The first one is to offer some type of bonus. And you know what? That is the number one way that you can get a person in who's kind of on the fence, because I know that for myself, I was introduced to the current program that I am in, and I am promoting through a bonus offer. My coach had packaged up a bonus, and it was so good that I couldn't resist it. So that's what you have to do. You have to come up with package you a something that's within your the company that you're promoting. Find a way to package, make bonuses and stack them up so that they will become irresistible, and offer those to your leads and your customers. And the reason why you want to do that is because most programs that affiliate marketers are promoting, all of them are doing the same thing basically. We're selling the same product, and most of the time the company have a capture page or something like that, and all of the whole company is promoting that one particular capture page. So you want to come up with your own way of clicking with that offer. Okay, so that's one good way to do it, is to make you some bonuses and stack them up, and make them, as my coach say, make them sexy so that they just cannot resist. The second thing is make it like a scarcity thing. You want to make that offer so good that and then you got so good that they can't resist it. But if you still have those that are kind of on the fence about it, this is what you do. You put a time frame to it and say, hey, by Monday at 11:59, this offer is off the table. And most of the time, people who are really interested in purchasing and not, afraid to invest in themselves, they'll go ahead and make the purchase. Because, again, I was one of the people that this offer came along, and it was something that I really wanted to be a part of, but I was just sitting there on the fence. And so the webinar was ending, I mean, it was just so that I just didn't want to pass it up, because sometimes you think you're gonna miss a lot, and I actually would have missed a lot had I not gone ahead and did, took the chance and did that. And your third one is you want to build your bridge page. And I know if you are new to network marketing or affiliate marketing, this is kind of foreign words you might not have heard before. And I am like you, I had never heard of a bridge page or capture page. But I knew about the sale page because when I went to the back office, I saw it in the back office. So I knew what a sale page was. But you want to build a bridge page between your capture page and your sales page. Now, your capture page is the page where you're going to get the name and email address of your leads so that you can start them on your email marketing campaign. Your capture page, your sale page is what the company offer, and it's the end result of them clicking on. But your bridge page is the page in between where you introduce them to yourself, tell them a little bit about who you are, and then tell them about what they're going to be getting once they decide that they want to come into the business, or if they want to buy the course or whatever. You're going to be the one that kind of put the bridge in there and kind of help them to make the decision to go on and purchase. Okay, so tonight, I hope that you got value out of this video, because I just wanted to come on and give you those 3 tips, and I hope it'll help you out in your affiliate marketing program and getting you some more leads. So, but before I go, I want you to know that I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so when I come on and do these videos, you can come right on in and just have a seat with me. And if you're on Facebook, go ahead and give me those like, comments, and shares, and also leave a note below the video to let me know, hey, I'm rocking with you, Dee on these tips. And below this video, also, I will leave my #1 way of how I make sales and get income online. I also have the tools that I use to help me in promoting these products and services as well. And within the company that I am with, I will leave that link below too, because as an affiliate marketer for that program, there is a tremendous amount of products and services that they offer. If you're into health and wellness, they got the health and wellness products. If you're into mindset, then they got those personal development products over there. So whatever you need within your affiliate marketing efforts, then it's over there if you choose to go that route. But guys, I appreciate you for coming by my Facebook Live, and it has been a joy to come back to you tonight. And guess what? We can meet again tomorrow. You guys have a good night, a good evening, or a good morning, wherever you are in this world. Good night, good evening, and see you tomorrow. Peace out.